request our chief guest to do the honors by awarding the badges to the council members. A huge round of applause for the House captains. Head girl of DPS Fatari, Samruddhi Baral, to now come forward and lead the oath. To uphold the responsibilities and duties of student leaders, we promise to work towards fostering a positive and inclusive environment within our school community. We will uphold the values of honesty, fairness and transparency in all our actions. We will demonstrate leadership and responsibility in both academic and extracurricular endeavors. We understand that being a part of the student council is a privilege and a commitment. Therefore, we pledge to fulfill with humility and enthusiasm. Thank you. I now request the student council to march back to their positions. We assure you that the Student Council will lead by example, teaching other students to be the perfect future citizens who will work